Are you still saying very in every sentence? Stop right there. It's time to upgrade your English and sound more fluent and confident. Are you ready? Let's go. Don't say, I'm very happy. Instead, you can say, I'm thrilled. For example, I was thrilled to hear the good news. Don't say, I'm very tired. Instead, you can say, I'm exhausted. For example, after work, I was completely exhausted. Don't say, it's very cold outside. Instead, you can say, it's freezing outside. For example, wear a jacket, it's freezing out there. Don't say, that building is very big. Instead, you can say, that building is enormous. For example, the mall is enormous. I got lost inside.